Hey, and today we were checking out an East Wichita subdivision called Whitetail Glenmoor Estates. It's across the street from the Crestview Country Club near 13th and 96. These amazing homes range from 400,000 to over 800,000. Some great amenities are nearby, including the popular Chicken and Pickle, the Warren Movie Theater, alley entertainment, and that features a bowling alley, go-kart area for family parties, and Cheddars and a lot of other restaurants as well. So let's check it out.
So in this video, we're looking at the Whitetail Glenmoor Estates, and it's on the east side of Wichita by 96 and 13th Street, and across the street from the Crestview Country Club. And the Crestview Country Club's a private club. It's got even tennis courts, pool, splash pad, a fitness area in it. So great country club, so right across the street. And here we're just checking out the neighborhood. And as the location, aside from the country club, it's a great area. Not too far down the street, you've got a budding little area that has a movie theater, the Warren Movie Theater. It's got Cheddars restaurant, several other restaurants, Sumo, a sushi restaurant. It's got the alley, which has a bowling alley inside. There's a really cool laser bowling event that you can bowl during, so that's kind of cool. And it also has a go-kart area to take the family to. Great pizza, huge pizzas. So again, a great place for the family. And another big one, Chicken and Pickle. Pickleball's become really popular lately, so that's a beautiful establishment to go to. So that's really close by, and then not too much farther, you've got Bradley Fair, Target, shopping area with Cabela's. So it's near a lot of great amenities, really close to the freeway on 96, and again, close to Crestview Country Club. Hey, so today we are checking out the Whitetail Glenmoor Estates. And as you see in this map, we basically drive through here, going down Meadow Drive, a little bit over here because you'll see the water in the second part by Whitetail Circle. We also pop up here, and I think we go down one of these streets. So again, checking out this gorgeous area on the east side of Wichita, near across the street from Crestview Country Club, and check out all these amenities nearby, just straight down 13th. You've got the Chicken and Pickle, so where people are playing a lot of pickleball these days. You've got the alley indoor entertainment. It's got the fun lighting in the bowling alley and some go-kart race area. Movie theaters right over here, the Warren Theater, and some great restaurants, Cheddars, China Go, Freddy's, Sumo, and of course, Chicken and Pickle for food. And going out a bit further, you'll see you got more over here, Bread Robin, you've got P.F. Chang's, Chop House, Chester's Chop House, Whole Foods Market. Whoops, a little bit far there. And then going just a little bit more out, you got Newport Grill, Target, the Target, and a bunch of shopping centers over here. Yaya's, Newport Grill, Bradley Fair, so some great shopping, higher end shopping over here, restaurant and bar, Kohl's up there a little ways. So yeah, that kind of shows you what amenities are near this neighborhood. So with that, let's check.
Hey, thank you always so much for watching my videos. I always appreciate it. Please give me a holler down in the comment section. Ask me a question, just say hi. Love to hear from you. So until next video, have a great one.